Aurora Flight Sciences Odysseus is a marvel of aerospace engineering designed to harness the power of the sun. This high-altitude, long-endurance aircraft is crafted to stay aloft for months, utilizing solar panels that cover its expansive wings. Odysseus aims to revolutionize data collection and communications, offering an unmatched platform for scientific research and surveillance. Its ability to remain airborne for extended periods allows it to gather climate data, monitor environmental changes, and support disaster response operations. The aircraft's lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics enable it to fly at altitudes where commercial air traffic is minimal, ensuring uninterrupted operations. As a testament to the future of green aviation, Odysseus combines sustainability with cutting-edge technology, potentially paving the way for a new era of perpetual flight capabilities, significantly impacting how we observe and interact with our planet. The DARPA Gremlin Drones project is pushing the boundaries of UAV technology. These drones are designed to be launched and recovered mid-air by a larger aircraft, akin to modern-day motherships deploying smaller units. This innovative approach enables rapid deployment and recovery, reducing the need for traditional airstrips. The Gremlin drones are versatile, capable of executing a variety of missions such as reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and targeted strikes. They embody a new level of operational flexibility, offering the ability to penetrate enemy defenses and gather crucial intelligence with minimal risk to human pilots. Their small size and advanced stealth features make them difficult to detect and counter, providing a significant strategic advantage. As the development of these drones continues, they promise to reshape aerial combat and surveillance strategies, reflecting a leap forward in military technology. The Boeing Phantom Express is a cutting-edge spaceplane developed under DARPA's experimental spaceplane program, aimed at revolutionizing access to space. This reusable spaceplane is designed for rapid turnaround, with the capability to launch into low Earth orbit and return within days, significantly reducing the cost and time associated with space missions. Phantom Express is powered by the advanced AR-22 rocket engine, capable of multiple uses without the extensive refurbishments typical of current space travel technology. Its design includes a streamlined fuselage and advanced heat-resistant materials to withstand the rigors of re-entry. The spaceplane's primary mission is to deploy satellites quickly and efficiently, supporting both military and commercial interests. By offering a more cost-effective and flexible launch solution, Phantom Express represents a significant step towards the future of routine space travel, potentially transforming how we explore and utilize space. The Lockheed Martin SR-72, often dubbed the Son of Blackbird, is a hypersonic aircraft that is set to redefine the limits of speed and performance in aviation. Designed as a successor to the iconic SR-71 Blackbird, the SR-72 is expected to achieve speeds of Mach 6, making it one of the fastest aircraft ever conceived. This hypersonic capability allows the SR-72 to perform reconnaissance and strike missions with unprecedented speed and efficiency, reaching targets anywhere in the world within an hour. The aircraft employs cutting-edge technologies, including advanced propulsion systems that combine turbine and ramjet engines, enabling it to transition seamlessly from takeoff to hypersonic speeds. Stealth features and state-of-the-art materials ensure that the SR-72 can operate undetected by enemy radar. As development progresses, the SR-72 is poised to become a pivotal asset in national defense, offering unmatched strategic capabilities. The Airbus Vahana project represents a bold step towards the future of urban air mobility. This all-electric, self-piloted VTOL aircraft is designed to alleviate urban congestion and provide a new mode of personal transportation. Vahana features a sleek, futuristic design with 8 tilting wings and propellers that enable it to transition smoothly between vertical and horizontal flight. The aircraft is compact enough to land on rooftops or parking spaces, making it ideal for city travel. Its electric propulsion system promises quieter, more environmentally friendly flights compared to traditional helicopters. The Vahana project aims to create an on-demand air taxi service, offering a fast and convenient alternative to ground transportation. With autonomous flight capabilities, Vahana also addresses the growing need for pilotless operations, ensuring safety and efficiency. This innovative aircraft heralds a new era of urban commuting, blending technology with practicality. The Terrafugia TFX is a groundbreaking hybrid electric flying car that brings the dream of personal air travel closer to reality. This vehicle boasts VTOL capabilities, allowing it to operate both as a car on the road and an aircraft in the sky. The TFX features a sleek design with foldable wings and electric rotor blades, enabling seamless transitions between driving and flying modes. Its hybrid propulsion system combines electric power for takeoff and landing with a fuel-powered engine for cruising, ensuring efficiency and extended range. The TFX is designed with safety in mind, incorporating automated flight controls and a full vehicle parachute system. This innovative vehicle aims to offer fast, door-to-door transportation, reducing travel time and bypassing traffic congestion. As Terrafugia continues to develop the TFX, it promises to revolutionize personal mobility, making flying cars a practical and accessible option for the future. The Bell Nexus is an advanced hybrid electric VTOL air taxi designed to transform urban transportation. With its futuristic design and innovative technology, the Nexus aims to provide a fast, efficient, and sustainable solution for city travel. The aircraft features a tilting rotor system with 6 ducted fans, allowing it to transition smoothly between vertical and horizontal flight. Its hybrid electric propulsion system combines electric motors with a traditional turbine engine, ensuring both power and range. The Nexus is designed to accommodate 4 passengers and a pilot, with a spacious and comfortable cabin that prioritizes passenger experience. Bell envisions the Nexus as part of an integrated urban air mobility ecosystem, offering on-demand air taxi services that reduce congestion and travel time. As development progresses, the Nexus promises to make urban air transport a reality, blending cutting-edge technology with practical urban solutions. The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider is a next-generation stealth bomber that represents the pinnacle of modern military aviation. Developed for the US Air Force, the B-21 is designed to penetrate sophisticated air defenses and deliver precision strikes anywhere in the world. Its advanced stealth technology ensures that it remains undetected by enemy radar, while its long-range capabilities allow it to perform extended missions without the need for refueling. The B-21 is equipped with the latest avionics and sensor systems, providing unparalleled situational awareness and targeting precision. Its modular design allows for easy upgrades, ensuring that it remains at the cutting edge of technology throughout its service life. The B-21 Raider is poised to become a critical component of the US strategic bomber fleet, offering unmatched capabilities for deterrence and defense in an increasingly complex global security environment. The Aston Martin Volante Vision concept is a luxury VTOL aircraft that combines the elegance of automotive design with advanced aerospace engineering. Designed for urban air travel, the Volante Vision concept aims to provide a fast and exclusive mode of transportation for discerning travelers. The aircraft features a sleek, futuristic design with a spacious cabin that accommodates 3 passengers. Its hybrid electric propulsion system ensures efficient and environmentally friendly flights, while its VTOL capabilities allow it to take off and land in confined spaces. Aston Martin envisions the Volante Vision concept as a key player in the emerging urban air mobility market, offering a luxurious and efficient alternative to traditional ground transport. With its blend of style, performance, and advanced technology, The Volante Vision concept represents a bold vision for the future of personal air travel. Elon Musk's Hyperloop pods represent a revolutionary approach to high-speed transportation. These sleek, futuristic pods are designed to travel through low-pressure tubes at speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour, drastically reducing travel time between cities. The Hyperloop system utilizes magnetic levitation and electric propulsion to achieve near-supersonic speeds with minimal energy consumption. Inside the pods, passengers experience a smooth, quiet ride thanks to the reduced friction and advanced suspension systems. The Hyperloop aims to provide a cost-effective, sustainable alternative to traditional rail and air travel, with the potential to transform regional transportation networks. By significantly cutting down on travel time and environmental impact, the Hyperloop represents a paradigm shift in how we think about moving people and goods over long distances. As development continues, this visionary project promises to redefine the future of transportation. The NASA X-57 Maxwell is an experimental electric aircraft that aims to demonstrate the potential of electric propulsion in aviation. This innovative aircraft is equipped with 14 electric motors, each driving a propeller strategically placed along its wings to optimize airflow and efficiency. The X-57 Maxwell is designed to be quieter and more environmentally friendly than traditional aircraft, with zero emissions during flight. Its lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics enable it to achieve higher efficiency and performance. The X-57 is part of NASA's efforts to accelerate the adoption of electric propulsion in the aviation industry, aiming to reduce fuel consumption, noise, and greenhouse gas emissions. By showcasing the advantages of electric flight, the X-57 Maxwell paves the way for a new generation of sustainable and efficient aircraft, potentially transforming the future of aviation. The Rolls-Royce VTOL taxi is a concept vehicle that envisions the future of urban air mobility. This VTOL aircraft is designed to provide efficient, on-demand air transport within cities. Featuring a sleek and modern design, the VTOL taxi incorporates advanced propulsion systems developed by Rolls-Royce, known for their reliability and performance. The aircraft can carry up to 4 passengers, offering a comfortable and quick alternative to traditional ground transportation. Its electric propulsion system ensures quiet operation and zero emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option for urban travel. Rolls-Royce aims to integrate the VTOL taxi into an urban air mobility network, providing seamless connectivity and reducing congestion on city roads. As this concept develops, it promises to bring a new level of convenience and efficiency to urban transportation, aligning with the growing demand for sustainable mobility solutions.